Hey everyone, so my camper is about done and we're planning our first trip this weekend. We're going to go down to Port Aransas Mustang Beach and watch the eclipse. Wife has it set up where there's a nice couch and everything, and I'm working on plumbing. Hate that. Okay, so we've got it set up to where I have a switch over here. It turns on the fresh water pump and water comes out. I've got both hot and cold hooked to the same. But and originally I had tubing as the plumbing, and it leaked everywhere. And so now we've got some solid pipe, but I think I'm still getting a drip out of that galvanized fitting in the back. You saw that drip just there? It's really a headache. I'm going to pull that guy apart and put some sealant of some sort on it.